When life breaks you, it feels like the world is against you. The weight of your struggles crushes your spirit, and you wonder if you'll ever rise again. But listen, being broken does not mean you are finished. Diamonds are formed under pressure, steel is forged in fire, and you too are being shaped in this moment. Every setback is not the end, but a beginning in disguise. The pieces of you that feel shattered can be rebuilt, stronger, wiser, unshakable. You overcome by refusing to quit, by standing back up when the world expects you to stay down, by turning your pain into power, your scars into strength, and your struggles into fuel. Life may break you, but it will never define you. What defines you is how fiercely you rise after the fall. So stand tall, breathe deep, and keep moving forward. Because the strongest souls are the ones who have been broken and chose to rise again.